road again. Got my coffee and I'm heading out to one that I did a couple months ago. I'm going back to check out why it's not closing. They said the light's blinking, so maybe I can sell them an opener, something like that. We'll see. I'll get back to you guys when I get to the job. You know, not a good place for two people at once.
Yeah, there's been a couple people here. I'm here for a while, so.
All right. Hello?
Hi.
Hi, I'm here. Yeah, I've been out here looking at it and it's not a camera issue. I thought it was over the phone. It was a sensor issue. But I remember now being here and the door is really heavy and we changed the springs on the door. See, when I got here last time, this door I couldn't lift by hand. It was so heavy. But now it's balanced. This is actually very light for this big of a door. It goes up like you barely have to even lift it, it'll go up. So this is how they have to be. We changed those big springs up there to make the opener able to lift it. It has a clutch inside the opener, which if it hits something, it'll go back up. So this thing, what it's doing now, I can show you, but it actually travels about a foot and goes back up. If it was a sensor issue, I just checked them, they're not blinking. So what it's doing is it's able to travel until it slips and then it goes back up. So that tells me that the clutch in that thing is worn out. When I got here last time, I made the door light again and most of the time that'll cure it. But the clutch is probably worn out. So I can go pick one up and come back if you want.
And he's here, my husband.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I remember talking about that Porsche before. I'll write it all up now and then you don't have to worry about paying for it at the end.
Okay, good.
Let me go write it up. Okay, so I went out to that job thinking it was a callback on something we did, and they ended up getting a new opener, and I'm gonna go pick up the opener and then come back. They had this air conditioning guy there too, which is kind of in the way. It's kind of a tight fit driveway, but he'll be gone by the time I get back, so will she, and I'll be able to get in there and swap that opener out. Okay, here I'm in Home Depot. Going to get the opener. These are the openers. See, these are the these are the better ones that have the built-in light, and the camera are $289, and these are the regular half horsepower, $199. And then these are the chain drives, which I never get, $219. I just get the $199 ones right here in the cart. There it is. See, this is what I do. See, I buy new things and I go in there and I pick up stuff. I buy new sockets. Got them all here. Got the opener here. That's it. Let me go up here and get me a sandwich. I got this one together on the floor here. I got that other one over on my truck. This one here. Taking that one out, putting this one in, and it should be good. Okay, I finished that other one, and now I'm heading over to another one. The guy called me. I'll be there in about 10 minutes. Talk at you when I get there. I'm here. Garage door.
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm John, huh?
Yeah, I remember you. What's the door doing? No, go back up. It's not supposed to do that. The light's blinking. See the light blinking?
Yeah.
There's a problem.
Okay.
That's why it's doing that.
So, I'll leave the door open.
Do you want to just service the door?
I want the door to work. Right?
No, I know, but if I could service everything.
Yes,
I
sure.
might as well just service it and I'll find out why is it doing it. Okay, let me bring in the tools.
I'll be right here. I'm going to leave the door open.
Okay. Dog barking at me. Okay, we're gonna service the door. 349. You can see everything's eye level. Get what?
Get the car deals aligned.
Yeah, well, I'll make sure everything's working.
Okay.
That's basically it. Anyway, everything works. Your remote, don't forget to put in the car. Okay, thank you. Okay, there, he gave me 529. So if you take 529 and then you take 1595, you are gonna end up with $2,124. That's it. $200 opener, 2 remotes, which are from that opener, well over $2,000 for a 199 part. It's over $1,000 an hour I'm making doing this simple stuff. I get in my truck, I turn the AC on. All you guys in doubt out there, that was 2 jobs. You know, we're offering this for $1,499. Your course would be paid for in 1 day, and that's just 2 jobs. If you do 3 or 4 jobs, you won't even know you paid for the course. So the sooner you get started, the better for you. You'll be making this kind of money, and we'll teach you how to advertise, do all that stuff. If you want to get in on this, we'll tell you how to do it. We're willing to teach you guys every little thing to say and do. If you guys need any help getting into business, we'll teach you all the ins and outs. You don't have to waste your time and spin your wheels. Anyway, www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. I've been doing it over 40 years. I was trained by the right guys. We used to do jobs all over San Francisco on hills that are off 10 inches from one side to the other on a 8-foot wide door. We did everything on garage doors. So learn the right way, take the course, you do it at your own pace, and you get a lifetime access to it. Most people take 2 to 3 weeks to complete. Some people do it quicker, and some people do it longer. The guy right now, I think he's the record. He's like 2 years, he still hasn't passed. Nice guy, talks to us a lot, and I'm sure we'll be talking to you guys too. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom there. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.